Iranian-made drones were launched from the areas controlled by its allied armed groups. The attacks are part of a complex international and regional struggle involving major powers such as Iran and Russia on the one hand against the US and its allies over control of energy resources and transit routes. In 2023, neighboring Turkey closed a Philippine which passed through this region. Its port of Jihan on the Mediterranean. Decision followed a ruling by the International Chamber of Commerce that said Ankara was allowing oil exports from the Kurdish region to pass through its port on the Mediterranean without Baghdad's consent. More than 2 years, Iraq has lost nearly 25 billion in potential oil revenue. That has led the central government in Baghdad to cut financial transfers to the semi-autonomous Kurdish region, delaying salary payments for government employees. And the recent drone attacks have worsened tension between Baghdad and Erbil, deepening an already precarious political landscape. Exhausted government employees here have been queuing outside ATM machines. Their faces with fatigue and frustration reflect months of unpaid wages. Many employees have sold their cars and homes, borrow money just to buy milk for their children. The situation is extremely difficult for those with young children. In mid-July, Baghdad and Erbil finalized an agreement to resume oil transfers. The deal sets a minimum delivery of 230,000 barrels a day to Baghdad's state oil farm. But this transfer has been delayed. Following the recent attacks, the Kurdish region is unable to deliver 230,000 barrels a day as outlined in the agreement because current production stands at approximately 81,000 barrels, which is only sufficient for domestic consumption within the Kurdish region.